Isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Tayo po'y magninilay sa salita ng Diyos, ang pinagmumulan ng awa at tawa ng ating buhay, ang salitawa. Today we are celebrating the feast of the conversion of Saint Paul. There are three C's that I would like us to reflect upon as we celebrate this feast day. The first C is on conversion, pagbabago. Pagbabago here is about transformation. It is called conversion of Saint Paul because it is about the story on how God transformed Saul to Saint Paul. Ang dati pong pangalan ni San Pablo ay Saul of Tarsus. He was a leading Pharisee, a very zealous Pharisee, matalino, makapangyarihan. Kaya nung nalaman niya yung tungkol sa the followers of the New Way, pangalan po ng mga naunang Kristiyano, siya po ay nag-embark na pahirapan ng mga ito dahil sila ay threat sa kanyang relihiyon bilang Hudyo. And so, as a Pharisee, he was present during the stoning to death of Saint Stephen. Eh isang araw, ayon sa ating unang pagbasa ngayon, patungo siya sa Damascus para ipakulong ang mga followers of the New Way. And while he was on his way to Damascus, a sudden and bright light from heaven struck him, and he fell from his throne, from his horse, and he was blinded. Yung transformation na ginawa ni Jesus, he was a fierce and zealous Pharisee, full of himself. Pero ngayon, ang una pong conversion experience si San Pablo o ni Saul ay nang siya po ay pabagsakin ng Diyos at tinuruan siyang magpakumbaba sa harapan ng Diyos. And so when he asked, "Who are you?" And the reply of Jesus, "Why, it is I, Jesus Christ, whom you are persecuting." Kaya po ang unang transformation ni Saul to Saint Paul ay yung binago siya ng Diyos. Binago siya na matutong magpakumbaba sa harapan ng Diyos. And so, from his experience, God transformed him to be an apostle. Kaya po magkaroon ng conversion, pagbabago. Our encounter with the Lord transforms us. He makes us new. Ang pangalawang sipo natin ay calling. Si San Pablo sa kanyang mga sulat, hindi niya ginagamit yung salitang conversion. Pero ginagamit yung mga salitang chosen, called by God, sent by God, with the purpose of proclaiming Jesus to the Gentiles. At gustong-gustong gamitin ni San Pablo yung to set apart. He was set apart. At kung titignan po natin yung set apart na yan, ay yan pong ibig sabihin ng sacred or holy, na kapag po tinawag ka ng Diyos, ikaw ay pinipili niya. At yung pagpili ng Diyos sa iyo ay ito yung para ikaw ay gamitin ng Diyos na mapabanal ang ibang tao. The word sacred comes from the Latin word sanctificare, na galing po sa mga salitang sacra at ficare, to make holy, to sanctify. And to sanctify, to make holy, is to set apart with a purpose. At ito pong pagtawag ng Diyos kay San Pablo, ay siya po ay pinili, hiniwalay, para maglingkod sa Diyos upang mapabanal ang mga hintil. And so, to be called by God is to to be chosen by God, and to be chosen by God is to set us apart so that God can prepare us and use us to make other people holy, to sanctify God's people. And so when God calls us, He uses us to sanctify, to make other people holy. Third C, commission. In our gospel reading today, we heard the mandate of Jesus to His disciples to proclaim the gospel to all creatures, to the whole world. At ito yung naging buhay at misyon ni San Pablo. He was commissioned to send the good news, to proclaim the good news, to deliver the good news, who is Jesus Christ, to the Gentiles. And so when God transforms us and calls us, He sends us to share our Lord, our encounter of Him to other people. My dear brothers and sisters, we are all being called. May we be inspired in the story of St. Paul. Let us allow God to change us, to convert us, to transform us. Let us allow God to set us apart, to choose us, and let us allow God to send us as His messengers, as His instruments of bringing the good news to other people. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video na ito, huwag kalimutang mag-like, i-share at mag-subscribe sa Salita Wow Facebook page and YouTube channel. Muli isang pinagpalang araw sa inyong lahat.